iPhone 7 battery change. So let's crack on with it. Look at that, 2 different screws already. So somebody's been at it before and the LCD's lifting already, so I don't know. I hope the battery's not bloated. What should I be using? My hand. Let's use a little thingy, frame tool. Now what a surprise, eh? What a surprise. A surprise that doesn't surprise me anymore. Yeah, the battery seems to be slightly bloated, but let's crack on with it. Screws missing. Brilliant. Show you a method that I use, so that will hold the LCD in place. Alright, keep all that intact so I don't have to deassemble the thingy. IPA. Won't even bother stripping these because they'd tear. Alright, so let's give it a shot. Alright. Yep, happy? That's gone. Let's try the other one. Gone. So, and I wasn't even applying excessive force. Now maybe I could have put some heat underneath to soften the adhesive, but from my experience I've found that a lot of the time it just sort of you get this issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some IPA. Alright, so a small amount of IPA that's going to go here and here. Alright, and just let that settle for a bit. Tiny amount. And then I will start praying the battery out. Yeah, the battery's coming off. There you have it. So the battery has been replaced by somebody. I don't know who it is, but it has been replaced. So let's take off all these excessive gunk. Obviously I'm going to dry all that IPA out, alright, before putting the new battery in. Let's test the battery. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So let's go to enter. Right, health is 100%. Score is best, so that's a good battery that. Alright, so let's go back and do a complex test. That will read the resistance of the internal battery, and they're quite happy with that. There you go. Let's take that bit of tape off the back as well. Alright, we're going to get a charger and connect this battery to the charger, and let's see what we get out of it. Does the phone turn on and everything else is okay and the battery is charging. Alright, let's do that. So go to the battery health. Maximum capacity 100%, so brilliant. Okay, so that's been done. So I'm quite happy to put the phone back together now, and just press it in like this if you can, if it would allow you to do that. If it doesn't allow you to do that, which it won't be because they've actually bent this pin, I don't know if you can see that, outwards, so that's why this LCD is not seating properly. That's because they put a shorter screw in, and by doing that, that will sort of just about catch the LCD's metal bit here. So again, that's another difficult messing around that I've to put up with. There you have it. Try not to press like this because you can very easily damage the LCD, so you're going to fold it in with your hand. That's what needs to really happen. So the two screws, one longer and one shorter. Okay, let's put them back in. Surprisingly enough, those screws are still holding them. Okay, so happy days. Phone's repaired, charging. We're going to leave that on charge. So that's all, guys. Yes, it's been a funny day for me, but what do you do? So yeah, there you have it. That's all done. Stay well, stay safe, and sorry about the mess here. I just need to tidy everything up now, so everything needs to be thrown away. But yeah, look after yourself, stay well, stay safe. Peace. Bye for now.